everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we are making red beans and rice. Red beans and rice is a classic Cajun dish that basically it's red beans that are cooked up nice, low and slow with smoked sausage, andouille sausage, lots of spicy Cajun seasonings, and it's served over a bed of rice, or you can cook the rice into the dish. Again, it's a super classic Cajun recipe, and it's often served as a side dish, but it's really hearty enough to serve as a meal, so you can serve it up red beans rice as dinner. It's real easy to make, it's real hearty, super delicious, and let me show how to make it. All right, let's make some Cajun red beans and rice. First thing we got to do here is get a large pot or a large pan set to medium heat, and we're going to add a bit of olive oil, maybe a tablespoon or so. And we're going to cook down our Cajun Holy Trinity, which is onion, celery, and bell pepper. And I've got a little bit of extra. So here I've got about a medium-sized white onion. I'm going to pop that in there. And I've got 1 stalk celery, and you can use more if you want to, but I usually use 1, sometimes 2. Pop it in. Along with, I have an average size green bell pepper. Just get that popped in. And I like to add some hotter peppers in here. Like I have a couple of jalapenos that I'm using, and you can use other hotter peppers if you want. Go as hot as you'd like. Serranos are really nice. It's a good level of heat. But go ahead and throw some ghost peppers in there, you crazy chili heads. So all right, so we're gonna cook this down for a good 5 minutes or so, maybe a little bit more, just to soften up our vegetables, and then we will continue to make some amazing red beans and rice. All right, my vegetables have softened up nicely. So next we will add, I've got some garlic here. I've got about 4 cloves or so minced up. Pop that into a pan along with some smoked ham. I love smoked ham with this. It just adds such a great flavor. And you can use other ham if you want to, other pork, but smoked ham is awesome here. Pop it in, and you're going to cook this just down for about a minute or so. Maybe a little bit less until you can smell that gorgeous garlic blooming. I just love a lot of garlic. Yes. All right. Get that all mixed in. And the rest of the ingredients just go right in. So first thing we got here, I have a couple tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. And you can use a little bit more, a little bit less if you want to. There's a lot of good products on the market. I like to make my own blend, a homemade blend with a pinch of ghost powder in mine. But use your favorite. And I have some dried thyme and some rubbed sage here. And you can use other seasonings, but to me this just kind of works nicely. So just get that stirred in. Along with, I've got about a pound of andouille sausage. And andouille is just amazing. It's super delicious. All right, set that, just get it mixed into your pot here. And of course we need red beans. We're making red beans and rice. So these were dried. I soaked them overnight to get them softened up. So just pop that in. Set my bowl down. And I've got 4 cups of chicken stock, and you can use vegetable stock or beef, but chicken just works nicely for flavor. Set you down. All right, so this is a super hard recipe, guys. What you're gonna do here, just mix it all together. Get everything mixed in your pot, like so. Also, don't forget, salt and pepper to taste. You gotta do that. I usually have a bit of salt, a little bit in my Cajun blend, sometimes not. But salt and pepper, always to your own personal preference. And that's it. So we're gonna bring it to a quick boil, and then I'm gonna let it simmer for close to, an hour to up to 90 minutes, just until your beans absorb all that liquid and all that flavor, and they get to a consistency that you want to. Just check it after an hour or so to make sure the beans have softened up. You don't want to be mushy or mushy, but just to the level that you prefer. So, all right, so that's it. Let's come back in a little while when our red beans is ready. And we haven't added the rice yet, but I will talk about the rice when we're closer to being done. So, all right, we shall return. Red beans and rice. All right, take a look at this, guys. It's actually been a little over 90 minutes. Your beans really could take that long. You just really want to check it for the consistency that you prefer. But we're done here. At this point, you know, it's really good to go. The beans are nicely softened up to where I like it. And a couple things though, let me talk about the rice. I like to serve mine overcooked rice, but if you want to cook the rice into the pot of beans, which you totally can, about 20 minutes before you are ready to serve, 20 to 30 minutes, you'll add your rice to the pot along with enough liquid for the rice to absorb, and just let it, you know, you can cover it and let it cook and let the rice absorb that liquid and be ready. So red beans and rice that way. A lot of people like to serve it that way. I prefer to serve it over the rice, so just a little bit better for me that way. Red beans and rice, baby. Let me give it a quick taste. Yum. Oh, hello. Starting to fall. Delicious. I'm the slowest eater in the world. All right, yeah, absolutely delicious. I just love it. You can season it a little bit with salt and pepper at this point if you want, stir it in. Maybe you want to use a little extra Cajun seasonings, maybe not. It's really to your preference. So, but that's it, guys. That is red beans and rice. I'm gonna get my rice ready, serve it up over nice little bed of rice, and enjoy red beans and rice. I hope you guys like it. This is Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I hope to see you next time. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to see you there. So, all right, thanks. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.